Happy Wednesday, A3. We're going to do our math. We're on lesson 105A, and I'm going to focus today and try to give my best and not make as many mistakes. I like that you're paying attention, and if you were here, I know you would be helping me out so I wouldn't make as many mistakes. So thank you for your patience with me. Well, we're going to start with our 3-inch line segment, so again, grab your ruler. If you haven't found a ruler at home yet, I hope you're coming up with a plan to do this on your paper. You will need a ruler to do some more measurement today later on our paper. So 3-inch line segment, make sure, remember, centimeter side. We're not going to use that for this measurement right now. We're looking for inches. So you're going to line up and show me your 3 inches, starting to zero out, and make my straight line stopping at 3. That's where you'll write your name and your number and today's date. So here we go. Today's date, it is March. Capital M, phonogram R, ch, ch. And today is the 25th, March 25th. Need to put a comma, and it will be our year 2020. What day is it? What day is it? It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. All right, let's see who our tally mark friend is going to be today. It is, number 1. That's for you, Charlie. We want to add 10 to his number. So 10 plus 1 is 11. All right, so now we're going to do 11 tally marks. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Diagonal 5. That's right. 6, 7, 8, 9. Diagonal 10. And one more is 11. That's right. And we have 11 tally marks. All right, we have the number 95. We want to trace our number. We have 9 tens and 5 ones. When I'm thinking of the number line, I'm always thinking about the 100 chart and our numbers. Here's number 95. 94 is 1 less. 96 is 1 more. 9 tens and 5 ones is the number 95. Let's go ahead and write it 4 more times. 9 tens and 5 ones. 9 tens, 5 ones. 9 tens, 5 ones. Okay. All right. Go ahead and tell me how many digits are on the line. That's right. Let's count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 digits on the line. Very good. All right, we have a problem-solving story today. Billy's dad made a dozen muffins for breakfast. Billy's family ate 10 muffins. I hope they were blueberry muffins. Blueberry are my favorite. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show what happened. So in our story, did we have some, and we get some more, or some and then some go away? Well, let's underline the important information to find out. Billy's dad made a dozen. Underline a dozen muffins. A dozen means 12. That's right. So above the dozen, let's put a 12. There were 12 muffins. A dozen means 12. Billy's family ate 10. Let's write 8, 10. So if they ate 10, they go away. So we go backwards on the number line, right? Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show what happened. So let's start with 12 muffins. I'm going to do a little square bottom with a little muffin top on the top. So here we go. I like a lot on that muffin top. I'm getting hungry. We're going to show 12 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Double check that you have 12 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thumb up? Alright. He ate 10, or their family ate 10. Yum, yum. So we want to cross out 10 muffins. Very good. So we're going to cross out 10. Frame the muffins that are left. That's right. How many are left? 2. Very good. What is our equation? Yeah, we started with 12. We took away 10. And now we are left with 2 muffins. Let's read our equation together. Ready? 12 minus 10 equals 2. Again, 12 minus 10 equals 2. So how many are left? 2 muffins. Good job. All right, now I see that we have some cubes, some linking cubes, and they are in trains of 10 or groups of 10. So we see 10, another group of 10, another group of 10. I see 3 groups of 10 and 2 extras, 2 ones. Jennifer put the linking cubes in trains of 10. How many linking cubes does she have all together? So in the tens place, let's write the number of groups of 10 she has. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many ones? 2. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Very good. All right, we want to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We like to count by tens, but today we're going to count by tens, but starting with 4. So let's take a look at this together. Ready? 4, 14. All I'm doing is adding a group of 10. 4, 14, another group of 10, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, A3, what would be next? That's right, 104. Okay, so let's write it here on our paper. 4, add a group of 10, we would have 14, one group of 10 and 4 ones. Now add another group of 10, we would have 24. 4, 14, 24. That's right, 34. What comes next? Good, 44. Add another group of 10, 54. Add another group of 10. That's right, 64. Add another group of 10, 74. Add another group of 10, 84. And another group of 10, 94. Let's check our work. Ready? 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Good job. Today we want to talk about adding 9, plus 9. And when I think of plus 9, I like to think of 10. I like to think of 10 because that's how God kind of wired my brain. I like to think 10, but take away 1. If I can look at that number and add a group of 10 to it, I know that my answer is going to be 1 less. I'm going to take away 1 because it's easier in my brain to add 10 to a number like we just did with 4. We added 10 to the number than it is to add 9. So that's what we're going to practice today. So write the answers that we would do. Well, 6 plus 10, easy breezy. I have a group of 10 and I add 6 more. That would be 16. So 6 plus 9, what I want to do is I want to think, instead of this 9, I want to picture 10 in my brain. So 6 plus 10 would be 16. But I have my 9 here, and I know that 9 is 1 less than 10. So that means my answer, I think 10, but take away 1. So 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10 would be 16. But I have to go back 1 because I'm adding 9 to it instead of 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. 1 less would be 15. So notice here, my answer is 15. It is 1 less than 10. Think 10, take away 1. I will think 10 and take away 1. Good. So 4 plus 10 is 14. That's right. But 4 plus 9, we gotta think 10 and take away 1. We're gonna think 10 and take away 1. 4 plus 9, I know that that is 13. I think 10 and take away 1. All right, 7 plus 10. Well, 7 and 10, 10 and 7 more is 17. That means 7 and 9, it's 1 less. I'm going to think 10 and take away 1. I'm going to think 10 and take away 1. So 7 plus 9 is 16. It is 1 less. Okay? All right. You're going to work with a partner at home, so someone at home, to measure the distance from the floor to the doorknob. Okay, so you're going to do this at home. About how many feet from the floor is the doorknob? So you will start at the bottom of the floor, and then you will measure how many feet it is from the floor to the doorknob of the door. Floor, door. Remember, 12 inches equal 1 foot. So you're going to see how many feet it is from the floor to the door, and then write your answer there. Good job, A3.